Hey y'all, I want to show you today what makes up sound. What is sound made of? We can't see sound, but we can hear it. So, how does it travel? How does it get from place to place if we can't see it? So, I have a couple of little experiments today so you can kind of see exactly what sound is made up of. Okay, so what I have here, I've got a tuning fork. Tuning fork is right here. I've got a cup of water and I have a ping pong ball. Now, to show you that sound travels in vibration waves, I want to show you what happens. Now, if I just take my tuning fork and just put it right here on my ping pong ball, nothing happens. But look what happens. Can you hear the sound of the tuning fork? Okay, so the vibrations of the sound caused the ping pong ball to bounce. Okay, so watch this. Did you see what happened in the water? I'm gonna do it one more time. I can't. Okay, so there was movement in the water when I put the tuning fork in there. If I just put the plain tuning fork in, nothing happens. Okay, except the movement around with if I'm moving the fork around. But if I put the fork down in without moving it, okay, there's no movement in the water. Oops. Oh, that was a good one. Okay, so you could see the actual movement in the water. Sound is caused by vibrations. Vibrations. So, y'all, sound is made up of vibrations and sound waves. So, next time when you are touching something that is making sound, whether it be a speaker, you should be able to feel the vibrations of the sound. You should be able to feel it. So, y'all have a good day. I miss you. Oh my gosh, and Bonnie, she misses you. She's wondering what's going on here. Y'all have a good day, and I'll see you later. Bye.